Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vegan cupcakes. Making vegan cupcakes is surprisingly simple, often requiring just a few ingredient swaps. We'll focus on using common pantry items to create a moist and flavorful treat. You'll learn how to combine plant-based milk, a neutral oil, and basic dry ingredients like flour and sugar to achieve perfect results every time. Get ready to bake something wonderful. The key to perfect cupcakes is in the mixing. First, whisk together your dry ingredients like flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, combine your plant milk, oil, and vanilla extract. Then, gently pour the wet mixture into the dry, stirring just until no dry streaks remain. Overmixing can lead to tough cupcakes. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 22 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. No cupcake is complete without a luscious frosting. For a simple vegan buttercream, you'll need softened vegan butter, powdered sugar, and a touch of plant milk. Beat the vegan butter until it's light and fluffy, then gradually add the powdered sugar, alternating with small amounts of plant milk until you reach your desired consistency. A teaspoon of vanilla extract is classic, or you can add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder for a rich chocolate frosting. It's incredibly easy and so delicious. Once your cupcakes are completely cooled, it's time for the fun part, decorating. You can pipe the frosting using a pastry bag and a decorative tip for an elegant finish, or simply spread it on with a knife for a charming homemade look. Don't forget the toppings. Sprinkles add a festive touch, fresh berries offer a burst of flavor, or a simple dusting of cocoa powder can be beautiful. Now, share your delicious creations with friends and family, or enjoy them all yourself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.